LinkedIn is one of the most powerful platforms for maintaining industry connections, recruiting top talent, and showcasing your products and services to new markets. But keeping up with LinkedIn posts consistently can be a bit difficult, especially for busy entrepreneurs. However, fortunately with Picsart Flow, we can ideate and design LinkedIn content that is catchy, informative, and brand focused. And you can stay consistent like that. So today, I'm going to use Picsart Flow to help us ideate and design a brand-driven post and a data-driven post within minutes. I'm Hayek, and let's get started. Let's say I'm a young e-commerce entrepreneur and my brand's name is Atelier Again. And my goal is to connect, engage, and inspire my followers and peers with my hard and long journey on becoming an entrepreneur. So let's head over to Picsart Flow and create a new page. I'll choose a text node for now because we're going to flesh out a written content strategy before we start making images. I need a 6-slide carousel LinkedIn post. Let's do a simple prompt write-up in the text box to create that. I'm writing this prompt. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to check out the prompts I used today. From the drop-down menu, I'll select Claude Sonnet 4.5. Once you're done, hit run. And in less than a minute, I have a detailed outline for my LinkedIn carousel post. It's pretty good. Now let's go deeper and expand. Let's get to image making. I have some images of my brand here. I'll simply upload them here as reference. It includes a logo, the brand imagery, and the founder's portrait. So now I'll create 6 image nodes for the 6 slides. Let's go with the first node. I'll write this in the prompt box. Create a chic and minimal design for slide number 1. The slide number 1 should be a full image portrait with a minimal overlaid caption at the bottom. Then I'm going to connect my logo to this new image node. Then the founder's portrait, and lastly, the text node. Now that the 3 nodes are connected to my first image, we can start cooking. Don't forget to adjust your settings. I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro. The aspect ratio should be 3:4, and let's keep the resolution to 1080p. Then click run and wait for it. And just like that, we have our first slide. It's pretty good, right? I'll continue the same process with the other 5 and come back to you in a minute. And here we are. Are you ready? Look at these. Don't they look great? I'm happy with them. And this carousel tells an awesome story about the founder and the brand that ends with a nice call out to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Now let's shift more to a data-driven story with content surrounding customer behavior. In a new area on the right side, I'm going to create a new text node. And I'm typing this in the prompt box. This is a prompt to generate a 5-slide LinkedIn carousel that shares data-driven insights and lessons from running a sustainable luxury fashion resale business. So let's go with Claude again and click run. And now I have 5-slide breakdowns of the content for this LinkedIn post with hard numbers. Now I want to do a similar setup to the first post and upload a few branded images and create 6 new image nodes again to the right side. I'm connecting again the logo, the founder's image, and the text to the first image node. As you can see, the steps are pretty much the same. In the prompt box, I'm writing this. Add the title to the center of the image in white. Add the Atelier Again logo to the top left. Nice. Let's continue for the other 5 slides. For the second image node, I'm thinking to write this. So this prompt shows a minimal slide chart design using terracotta background, subtle grid, and clean modern typography. Then I'm gonna connect the background and the text to it. Of course, I'm gonna choose Nano Banana Pro and hit run. This chart looks great. It is super clean and follows my brand's guidelines. Now I'll go ahead and repeat the same steps for the rest and catch up with you in a moment. This carousel post looks amazing. It's cohesive and driven by numbers, and it's also pretty chic. Now we have two solid examples of creating two types of LinkedIn posts. But I'm gonna go further and use Pixar Flow to come up with a whole month's worth of content as a 4-week LinkedIn content calendar. So, in a fresh area, create a new text node. In this text node, I'll prompt it something like this and wait for the magic. Pretty cool. As you can see, we have a whole month's worth of content ready to be designed and scheduled. And that's it, there you have it. Now you'll always stay consistent with your LinkedIn posts and grow an audience. So please give today's video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channels for more upcoming videos. I'm Hike and have a productive day.